What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm on my way to work. I know last episode that I talked to you guys, I was talking about on Saturday I was going to be possibly washing the car and washing the bike, kind of going through a little vlog like that. Didn't work out. Rained a lot on Saturday. I didn't get home till a little later on Friday, so I had to catch up on some sleep. But all in all, it was a good day yesterday. I told you guys in the last episode that I was going to put in my two friends' Twitch streams and their YouTube channels in the description below, and I did that. Now today, I'm going to be doing it again. I'll probably just have it in there from now on. Last night, me and Lady Mischief and a friend of theirs from Germany went on a great pirate adventure on Sea of Thieves. She streams on Twitch at night. Was trying to get Revenant on there because we only had 3 people and we were going up against some pretty rough pirates last night, and then a Megalodon decided to attack us. But it was great. I had so much fun. I haven't played that game probably since it came out, and I had so much fun playing last night. Something I haven't done in a long time, and a lot of people, including myself, especially at the beginning, will say that it kind of gets boring quick. If you don't keep it exciting, in my opinion, yeah, it really does. But it is a fun game to play. Fun game. We tried to go up against Flameheart in that raid, and it just didn't work out. Woo-hoo! The reason being is because a Megalodon shark tried to third party us. Lady and Jared got thrown overboard. I mean, I got thrown out like twice. Lady was down there trying to repair the ship. Jared was steering and running cannons. I was bailing water. We was all bailing water. It was intense. It was fun. I want to do it again. Last night I probably should have went ahead and edited a video, but I didn't. I actually wasn't able to go into work at the right time today because, lo and behold, my job's running behind. They told me to come in 2 hours later. It looks like I'm pushing it back like 2.5 hours later. There is a rat, a big giant rat that is just right up under my car. This rat, I kid you not, was huge. Where did that thing go? So I'm going in a little later than what was asked to because I'm gauging my route that I know. You know, I've been doing this route for a long time now, and I know the ins and outs of it and the possibilities that can come up. I keep in contact with the places I deliver to and the management that deals with them. I talk to them and, you know, kind of relay information of where I'm at, when I'm going to be there, and whatnot. But today is a Sunday, and Sundays are always behind. With the truck driving industry, we have rules and regulations we got to follow and hours of service that we have to go by. We're only allowed to be on the clock for 14 hours at a time, and we can only drive for 11 hours at a time. We're not always driving, so things like, you know, getting or swapping a trailer is not a drive time. It's considered on duty, but it's not driving. So that doesn't take away from your drive time, but you're still on your 14 hour. Your 14 hours is taking away as soon as you start the day. So that's why I'm being pushed back a little bit. That way it will be a smooth operation throughout. I'm not sitting there when I get back from the first run and just sitting around not doing nothing because they don't have my second load ready. So what I try to do is I try to maximize my time that I have as much as possible. That way I can get an extra run in if needed, and usually it's needed at the end of the night, and it allows me to make a little extra money in the meantime. So I weighed in on Saturday, which is going to be my weigh-in days from here on out, and I have lost 3 pounds. Good start, good start. You remember, I'm wanting to lose 10 pounds per month, so I lost 3 pounds before the month of July even started. The month of June wasn't really factored into my whole plan, so getting a 3-pound head start is a really good thing. It makes it to where I might possibly hit around closer to 207 by the time we go to Tokyo. So how do you guys like this view? I'm using the super view on the camera, and I know it shows a lot. It shows the whole entire car. How do you guys like that? Should I do that, or should I go with a more linear view, like just a wider view, or not a wider view, but a not as wide view? Also, do you like the voice or the sound? Is this sound okay? I haven't actually got to listen to it yet, as I haven't edited that last video, but hopefully it sounds pretty good. I went to go get my hair cut yesterday because it's way too long. I went to go get it, and they didn't have anything on the website when I was going to check in about having to wear a mask. And when I got up there, it said mandatory, have to wear a mask. I didn't have one, so couldn't get my hair cut. So the other day I used my new Anchor battery pack on my GoPro, and the thing is not even nowhere near dead. And I charged my GoPro 100%, and it stayed hooked up to it all day. When I turned it on, it was at 95%, but I had left it off and wasn't messing with it or nothing. But that Anchor battery pack is great. I used to go to like 5 and below, or 5 below, and hold on. I used to go to 5 below and get my battery pack from there, just to get a cheap one to deal with when I go to like Disney and whatnot. But I'm glad I bought this. Well worth the money. It's well made. It has nice materials. If I keep it, nice, it'll last me a long time, I feel like. I really wished I didn't have to work today, and I would have definitely spent the day washing the car and the motorcycle, cleaning this car out completely, and trying to detail the inside because it needs it bad. I'd like to get this car cleaned up from the inside out just to make it nearly new again. I've got a front bumper. I really need to change out the front bumper, the fenders, and get new tires all around. And I think it would be a pretty good little car, and of course give it a good wash and everything. It stays outside. I don't have a garage for it, so it stays outside, so it gets dirty quick. I would love to get this thing just cleaned up because it's still my daily driver. I want to make it nice. I want to keep it nice. And I do like the car. It's a great little car. The truck I like to use is here. Alright. Alright. We're going to go with a 514. Alright. I'm going to jump in the truck. I'm going to have everything ready to go when you see me next. Let's get to it. It's like 3:40 and I just got home. I did get a little workout in. I unloaded a truck for somebody, so that works for me. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button. Bye.